These air fryer recipes can be used as easy appetizers or quick weekday meals. Let's heat a medium skillet. Add some butter, olive oil, a couple of minced garlic cloves, and some crushed red pepper flakes. When you get the sizzle after about a minute or two, drop in some chopped green onion. Season it with some sea salt and crushed black pepper. Now cook the shrimp. I'm using about 8 medium ones that have been shelled and cleaned. After about 1 minute, give them a flip and cook for another minute or two. When they get this orange color, remove them from the heat and prepare the bread. On 2 slices of bread, I spread mayo and grated Parmesan cheese only on one side. Press the cheese down so it sticks and then get them in the air fryer for a couple of minutes to toast. When the bread comes out, assemble the sandwich by placing 2 slices of a pepper jack cheese on one of the slices of bread, and as many shrimp as you can fit. Drop on some shredded mozzarella cheese and 2 more slices of the pepper jack cheese. Place the second slice on top, give it a press and back into the air fryer again for a few minutes until the cheese melts. This should only take a few minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the garlic shrimp cheese melt come out, it should be ooey and gooey. Slice it in a diagonal, listen to that crunch. Let's eat. To make these spicy cream cheese egg rolls, first slice your jalapeno pepper in half and clean out the seeds and membrane. If you like extra spicy, you can leave them in. To me, there is plenty of heat without them. Then chop it into small cubes. Make sure to wash your hands after cutting these or any spicy foods, or you can wear food-safe gloves. Take the chopped jalapeños and add them into a bowl along with about 6-8 ounces of room-temperature cream cheese. If the cheese is cold, it will be harder to mix everything. Add in 3 tablespoons of bacon pieces, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, salt and crushed black pepper, and, to make it more creamy, I added in about 1/4 cup of creamy ranch dressing. Give it a quick mix for consistency, then add 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1 green onion chopped, or chives will work here too. And give it another mix to combine everything. Lay out an egg roll wrapper like this. It'll be easier to roll. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cheese mixture near the corner, leaving about 1 inch of space along the edge. Use some water to wet the edges. This will help the wrap stick to itself. Start rolling and tuck the mixture in as you roll. Then fold in the sides. Add more water if needed to help them stick. Put it aside with the seam side down until you're done wrapping. When all the egg rolls are done, place them in the freezer for about 15 minutes to stiffen. When they come out, brush each egg roll with some melted butter or olive oil. Place the egg rolls in a single layer in a preheated air fryer basket. Leave some space between them for the hot air to circulate and cook them evenly. Air fry for 7 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping them after about 4 to 5 minutes. When they're done, they should have a beautiful crispy shell and a golden color. Let them cool for a few minutes before digging in. They will be extremely hot. Before we start, I placed the mozzarella sticks in the freezer for about 10 minutes to harden. I'm using egg roll wrappers. Wet the edges of the egg roll wrapper with some water. Place one of the cheese sticks on the corner of the wrapper and begin rolling. Keeping it tight, you can add your seasoning on the inside, but I decided to add it to the outside of the cheese stick instead. You'll want to make sure that they are completely sealed so the cheese won't leak out while cooking. For the seasoning, I'm using about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, dry Italian seasoning, dry basil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix together until combined. Now just brush the cheese wraps with olive oil and roll them into the seasoning mix. Getting them completely coated, shake off any excess seasoning. Then place them in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Leave space in between them for the hot air to circulate and cook evenly. Air fry the cheese sticks at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes. Rotate them halfway through. They should come out crispy and fully melted. Let them cool for a few minutes before enjoying them with a homemade marinara or pizza sauce. This is the easiest way to make mozzarella cheese sticks. I know you'll enjoy them. If you need an appetizer recipe for game day or a party, these chicken Parmesan bites are just the thing. You'll need a package of wontons. I used about 6 egg roll wrappers cut into squares. Then I cut some mozzarella sticks into 1/4 inch or 7mm coins like this. You'll want to make the pieces small to fit into the pouches. I also cooked some frozen pre-breaded white meat chicken nuggets. Take one of the squares or wonton wraps and wet the edges using water. Then place one of the mozzarella coins in the center, and a piece of the chicken nugget on top, which were also cut into smaller pieces. Then pull 2 opposite corners together and pinch them closed. Do the same with the other corners and then seal up all the edges. You'll want to preheat your air fryer while you're making them. Before getting the chicken Parmesan bites in the air fryer, I sprayed them with some olive oil cooking spray. Place them in the air fryer basket and cooked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. About halfway through cooking, give them a shake. They will be perfectly toasted and ready to serve. Make a side of pizza sauce or marinara for dipping. These chicken Parmesan bites will disappear quickly, so make extra.